Hi everyone. PEMDAS is saying that 7 divided by 5 will go first. So what is 7 divided by 5? I don't know. So I'm going to write it in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 7 over 5. And let's bring the others down. So we have 2 minus 7 over 5 times 8. And then looking back at PEMDAS, PEMDAS is saying, hey, you're going to start with multiplication. So we're going to multiply 7 over 5 times, let's turn this 8 to a fraction to make the math fun and easy. So what is 7 times 8? 56. Good job. And what is 5 times 1? 5. So we have 56 over 5, and this can be broken down further. So now we're going to bring this 2 minus down, but let's bring the 2 minus down in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 2 over 1 equals 2 does not change to 2. Now let's bring that 56 over 5 closer. So now we're subtracting both fractions, but the denominators are different. So we're going to use the butterfly method. And I am going to erase this for space. And we're going to draw 2 wings, 2 antennas, and a body. So the first wing is 2 times 5. We're not subtracting, we're multiplying. 2 times 5. And here's the antenna. So the first wing, first antenna, 2 times 5 is 10. And here's the second wing and the second antenna. And here's the body. 1 times 5 is 5. Don't leave yet because we need to figure out the decimal answer and the mixed number answer using long division. So we got our new denominator. Now we need to figure out the numerator. So what is 1 times 56? 56. And we're going to subtract 10 minus 56. Let's just turn those numbers around. We know it's going to be negative. So 56 minus 10. So 6 minus 0 is 6. 5 minus 1 is 4. And it's negative. So our answer is going to be negative, and 46 will go above the fraction bar there. And now this cannot be broken down further. So this is your answer as a improper fraction answer. Now let's use long division to figure out the decimal answer and the mixed number answer using long division. So the 46 goes inside the long division symbol. That is called the dividend. And the 5 goes outside the long division symbol. That is called the divisor. So how many times can 5 fit into 46? Well, I know that, and I'll write it down here, 5 times 10 is 50, and 5 times 9 is 45. And that's the closest we'll get to 46. So we write 9 above, and then we multiply. 9 times 5 is 45. And then we subtract 46 minus 45 is 1. So our mixed number answer is 9, 9, 1, the remainder 1 over 5. And let's continue. And let me just write this here because we need the space. So I'll write 9, 1 over 5. And that's the answer as a mixed number answer. And now, how many times can 5 fit into 1? You cannot. So the 1 needs to borrow a 0. So I add a decimal after the 46 and after the 9. And then I write a 0 there, bring it down, give it to the 1. Now the 1 becomes 10. How many times can 5 fit into 10? 2. And 2 times 5 is 10. and we subtract 10 minus 10 is 0. So our decimal answer is 9, and it's negative. We can't forget that. It's negative, so negative 9 over 1. Negative 9, 1 over 5. And our decimal answer is negative 9.2. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you already subscribed, thanks so much for your support. And thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.